ones and tens. 9 or 9 ones plus 1 or 1 1 is equal to 10 or 10 ones or 1 10. Thus, 9 and 1 more makes 10. We can say that it is 10 ones or 1 10. Thus, the number 10 has 2 digits. 1 is called the tens digit. 0 is called the ones digit. Observe and understand. Number, tens, ones. 11, 1 10, 1 1. 22, 2 tens, 2 ones. 33, 3 tens, 3 ones. 44, 4 tens, 4 ones. 55, 5 tens, 5 ones. 66, 6 tens, 6 ones. 77, 7 tens, 7 ones. 88, 8 tens, 8 ones. 99, 9 tens, 9 ones. Observe and understand. 10 ones is equal to 1 10 is equal to 10. 2 tens is equal to 20. 3 tens is equal to 30. 4 tens is equal to 40. 5 tens is equal to 50. 6 tens is equal to 60. 7 tens is equal to 70. 8 tens is equal to 80. 9 tens is equal to 90. 10 tens is equal to 100.